Thank you for the opportunity to present on our experience with tumor infiltrating lymphocyte therapy for metastatic melanoma at Stanford Hospital. For patients with metastatic melanoma who have progressed through multiple lines of systemic therapy, few further treatment options offer durable response. In this study, we show our experience at Stanford Hospital with tumor infiltrating lymphocyte or TIL therapy for metastatic melanoma. TIL therapy requires surgical tumor tissue procurement or TTP and TIL manufacturing to a specific cell count threshold as well as other quality control parameters. This was a retrospective review of patients between May 2024 and March 2026 who had undergone multiple lines of systemic therapy for metastatic melanoma, underwent tissue procurement, and received TIL therapy. Oncologic characteristics, treatment data, as well as clinical outcomes were collected. Our primary outcomes were overall survival and progression-free survival after TIL therapy. 46 unique patients were identified as having undergone tissue procurement for TIL therapy, and of those 46 patients, 37 of them ended up receiving TIL therapy, which was 80.4%. The median number of lines of systemic therapy prior to procurement was 3. With a median follow-up of 160 days, 25 patients have had progression of disease, 7 still have a partial response, and 2 have stable disease. Of the 21 patients who were deceased at time of follow-up, 18 were dead of disease and 3 were dead of other causes. Median progression-free survival was 92 days, and median overall survival was 265 days. In conclusion, the majority of patients who underwent tissue procurement for TIL therapy at Stanford Hospital ended up making it to TIL therapy. TIL therapy can possibly provide a durable response for some patients who have gone through multiple other lines of systemic therapy and have metastatic melanoma. As far as future directions, more research with larger patient groups is necessary to optimize tissue procurement for better TIL therapy. This is currently being done with a multi-institutional TIL working group. Thank you.